Is your Microsoft Edge browser feeling a bit sluggish? Watch this quick and easy tutorial to learn some effective tips and tricks to speed up your browsing experience. From optimizing settings to utilizing built-in features, we have got you covered. Say goodbye to slow page loads and hello to a faster, smoother web browsing experience with Microsoft Edge. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips and tutorials. To speed up Microsoft Edge, Step 1. Clear browsing history, cookies and cached data regularly. Step 2. Disable unnecessary extensions. Step 3. Keep the browser and Windows up to date. Step 4. Use a lightweight theme. Step 5. Enable hardware acceleration. Step 6. Limit the number of open tabs. Step 7. Consider using the built-in tracking prevention feature. Step 8. Check for malware and viruses on your system. Step 9. Adjust Edge settings for performance. Step 10. Consider using a faster DNS server.